you doing? Okay? Yeah, day 2 on the journey. That was just the first day yesterday, you remember? Yeah, lots going on. You're looking good. Hope you're feeling as good as you're looking. It's the feeling that gets the blessing. We're going to raise the vibration as we begin today in unity. And we do that by affirming the same word. There's power in it. Yeah, it's the feeling again. And if you don't have your book, I'm going to repeat it, and your subconscious mind will remember it, even if you don't.
What page?
What page? It's 56 in your book, and you want to bring your books with you. It's an investment. It's a discipline. And if you forget it, it's okay. There's a person next to you. You can look at theirs, and we'll speak it again. But this is laying the foundation, family. It may be new for you, but we've been doing it for a while, and it works if you work it. It works if you work it. You don't have to believe it, but we find there's evidence that it does work. So yesterday we said every day is magnificent and wonderful. Was it magnificent and wonderful for you?
Absolutely. Yes.
And every day is getting better and better. Yeah, it's getting better and better for you.
Yes.
For me, I'm telling you, whoa. Day 1, it was like 2 weeks in one day. All the things that I'm desiring are coming to me easily, effortlessly, under grace, and in a perfect way. SAS couldn't do it, but the ancestors in the universe is. And I trust and believe in that. Today's affirmation is day 2. I'll repeat it, and you'll remember it, and you'll see it. I am a radiant African being, filled with light and love. Now let's marinate in that for a moment. I am a radiant African being, filled with light and love. Does everybody have it? Okay, let's speak 3 times together with feeling and might. I am a radiant African being, filled with light and love. I am a radiant African being, filled with light and love. And let's seal the deal. I am a radiant African being, filled with light and love. One more time, sister request. And so it is. I am a radiant African being, filled with light and love. Ashe. Give yourself a hand. You radiant African being, Susan, filled with light and love. You're radiant African being, Bamani, filled with light and love. You're radiant African being, my sister Hadia, filled with light and love. It ain't gonna never extinguish, okay?
Yeah.